the center of a circle is 2 alpha minus 1 comma 7 and it passes through the point minus 3 minus 1. If the diameter of the circle is 20 units, then find the value of alpha. Now in this question, a circle is given to us and center of a circle, coordinates of center of a circle are 2 alpha minus 1 comma 7 and circle passes through the point minus 3 minus 1. That means AP is radius. Now diameter of the circle is 20 units. Now as AP is radius, therefore AP is 10. That means distance between A and P is 10. So this implies root minus 3 minus 2 alpha plus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 7 whole square equals 10. Squaring, we get minus 2 alpha whole square plus minus 8 square equal to 100. This implies 4 plus 4 alpha square and plus 8 alpha plus 64 equals 100. This implies 4 alpha square plus 8 alpha and minus 32 equals 0. This implies alpha square plus 2 alpha minus 8 is 0. We factorize this. On factorization, we get alpha plus 4 into alpha minus 2 is 0. This implies alpha plus 4 is 0 or alpha minus 2 is 0. This implies alpha equal to minus 2 or minus 4 or 2. Let's take another question. If point PXY is equidistant from the points A51 and B minus 15, prove that 3x equal to 2y. Point PXY is equidistant from the points A51 and B minus 15. We have to prove the relation between x and y. Again, these two are equal. That means AP equals BP. This implies root x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals root x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Squaring and simplifying, we get x square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equals x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. X square y square cancels, x square y square cancels, 25 also cancels, 1 also cancels. X we bring on this side, y we take onto the other side. So we have minus 10x minus 2x equals minus 10y plus 2y. This implies minus 12x equals minus 8y, or this implies 3x equal to 2y, which is the required relation.